The 40 children who were, their stories are told in this book, they are part of our history. They died as part of our history. And the 7 signatories, the Pearse, the Plunkett, the Connollys and the Clark, the McDonough and the McDermott and the Conlon, they would have wanted those children remembered. They would have wanted them up on that pedestal with them. They would have said, like, look at the 7 signatories: teachers, poets, shopkeepers, journalists. James Connolly himself lost a child, Mona, when she was, what, 12 years of age, when her petticoat caught fire in her house, in her aunt's house actually, and she was burned to death. And James Connolly's in America at the time. This is around 1907, and he's waiting for his family to come over. And his family get off the boat there in Lower Manhattan after come through Ellis Island, and he's counting the kids. He had 8 kids, and he says, "Where's Mona?" And his wife says, "Mona is dead. Mona was burnt to death." So, and James Connolly, it's well recorded, for a full year grieved for that child. So he would have grieved for, I believe that, and that's that. So they would have wanted these children remembered.